Hey, this is Snipe Out Lash Girl Melissa, and guess what, girlfriends? I got a new friend, and it's a new concealer, and I absolutely love it. So I want you to learn how to do this. It's so easy, and it is a Wayne Goss little trick that I've been using, and it works fabulous. So just keep watching. Come on, I want you to learn how to do it. Now, these two products I have shown you before, absolutely, I can't be without these two. These are my dynamic duo, as I call it, and they are the best combination for my under eyes I have ever used in my life. And I went through a lot of products, y'all, a lot of products. My dog's barking, I'm sorry. She's outside and it's a beautiful day. So this right here is Unique's new eye cream. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It has caffeine in it. It has so much goodness in it. I put this on first, okay? This goes right here. I go from corner to corner with it. And you could take it out a little bit more if you have like some 11s and stuff out here lines. But this is the dew effect, and this comes second. I actually use this about maybe 5 or 10 minutes after I have applied the other one. And this right here is like a clear gel type product. Love it. It is my favorite thing. I carry these two together all the time in my purse. Yes, I take them with me because sometimes this one here, you can use this one like in the afternoon. Maybe you go and look and there's some settling a little bit in any of your fine lines. Take a little bit of this. I'm talking about a tiny bit. And then just press over it like that. And boom, within a few seconds, it's absorbed whatever powder has settled there. And boom, it's back where it needs to be. So, highly recommend getting these two together. But let me show you how we're going to do my under eyes today. So I did go to Ulta last weekend, and I did not realize that I had 5,000 points, a little over that. And I was ready to pay because I have some gift cards, I was going to use those. But I didn't have to pay for anything in Ulta because I had so many points. But this concealer, there it is. This concealer is amazing. And when I read it, it's my benefit. When I read it, it says Cakeless Concealer. And I thought, well, let's just go put this to the test. And let me just say, it's pretty darn amazing. I really like it. I do. Now, I'll put down here what color I used, and I just think it's a great product. But I want to show you how to use it, number one, and then I want to show you what it looks like on these old, under eyes that I have. Now, right now, what you're looking at, this is my Dynamic Duo right here, my Dynamic Duo on here. And I know you're going, well, that looks shiny. But you know what? It has absorbed, and it is ready. It's not tacky or sticky, and I'm ready to go to add this. Now, there's 3 things you're going to need. You're going to need a little bit of setting spray. I'm using Unique Spray Mist. We don't even have this anymore, but I absolutely love it. And I'm also going to use Tarte's Pink. Yes, the pink loose powder. See that? Oh, I love it. And this powder puff. Plus, we're going to use this concealer, okay? So this is how this works. Now, I love this Tarte. If you don't have this, I'd highly recommend you get this. This is, especially if you're over 50, even in your 40s, this is a great product. And I can't seem to find it when I go there. Now, I was going to get some more because I know I like it, and I'm going to run out at some point. Now, this is what we're going to do. We are going to, this is fun, I swear it is. Don't think it's not fun. Now, this is something Wayne Goss did, okay? This is Wayne's technique, and I'm going after Wayne because it's incredible. So now we're ready to go ahead and apply what we're going to use. Now, it may look shiny, but it is actually dry, and I love it. It's plumped everything up. So make sure you do your under eye skincare. That is really important before you try to put on any concealer. Now, this concealer is by far one of the best ones I've ever used. Don't know why I've never tried it. I love the packaging, though. Look, it's like a pencil. It's so cute. Now, this color is I probably got a color that's a little too light, but what I'm doing is I'm just wiping off, you don't need a whole lot of product. So make sure you're just kind of a minimalist person when you first put it on, because it's easier to blend out if you don't have too much. Otherwise, you may have to remove it and start over, and you don't want to do that. Just tap it right where you need it. I'm just kind of putting it up in those areas. Now, I am going to lightly tap it right there under that bag, because yes, I have bags. It's springtime here, and I am just, allergies are driving me crazy. They really are. But isn't that cute? That is some seriously cute packaging. I love it. I love it. I don't know why I have never tried it, but I walked around in Ulta and in Sephora just looking at different things. And I did get some things that were new. I did get this. This is really pretty while I'm letting this settle. This is also by Benefit. It's called Cheeky Love Letter. And it's got little, well, let me read that. It's got these 4 colors, and they are so pretty. They are like a matte. They don't have that shimmer. And that's one thing I like about them. And that's what I'm wearing today. I actually used 2 colors in here. I used these 2 right up here at the top. Such a pretty little palette. So let me see if this feels like it's ready. Take your ring fingers and just kind of blend this out, girl. That's all we're going to do. Blend it with your fingers. Don't go down too far. You might want to bring it down with the side of your nose just a tad. And then I'm going to take it and just push it right up into my temple. Like this. I love the way this blends out. It's just different. I don't know. It's almost like skincare, so to speak. A skincare kind of thing. And it just feels good going on the skin. Now, let me look with my magnification mirror. That is amazing. Now, this is the trick we're going to do. The trick is, get your setting spray. Get you a little powder puff. And you're going to spray the powder puff, okay? I sound like a mama, don't I? And then I always kind of tap that off just in case I don't have, or maybe I have too much. That way I can determine if I need to add more. But I'm going to use this powder. This is what he did. It's so good. Y'all got to try it. And I usually kind of pack it in. And then this is all you do to set it. Push it down just like this. And then come over here and do the other side. And if you feel like you need to add a little more powder, you can. Gosh, dog. This is the best concealer trick I have ever tried. And why have I not tried it? I don't know. Maybe I never saw it on his site, on his YouTube page. But I'm just saying, it's amazing. I love it. And the good thing about it is it stays all day. He's right. It stays all day. And I really, see, it's already touchable. And I just really, really love the product. What do you think? And here we are. We're at our finished look. I absolutely just love it. I went ahead and set my face, and I went ahead and finished up my under eyes here. What I used here was Smashbox. Yes, I got this the other day at Ulta too. It is so pretty. I haven't even taken the film off the mirror, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful colors. I love a good neutral palette, and that's what this is. It's got shimmers. It's got mattes. Oh, it's so, so, so pretty. Okay, guys, what do you think? I think I'm ready to go now. I've got to go and do some shopping a little bit. It's grocery day. So I will see y'all next week, and I hope y'all have a fabulous one. And I tell you what, I love it when you come and hang out with me. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I will see you soon. See you later.